We're starting the video. No pressure.
Never is pressure. We're stuck today. He's slower than Tits over there.
Ooh, fresh fit.
He thinks the fit's nice. But yeah, serious note, we're at Lost Valley. First time. Looks awesome location. There's like mountains around.
Yeah.
We're not far from South Mountains. It's a good day. It was 32 degrees when we woke up this morning, but now it's warming up. It's gonna be 58.
Feels good. That's
Feels
what
good.
matters.
Feels good. Feels good. We got dogs. We got a cow there actually eating grass. She's actually eating grass.
You want to eat some grass again? Do it one more time, and then I'm gonna yell at you for doing that. All right, stop.
We're gonna see what it's about. We're gonna first get out there, first moto, and then we'll come back, check in with you guys, slap the GoPro on, actually get some shots once we get the layout. I'm not too worried. This track doesn't seem crazy at all. Seems like a backyard track, but backyard tracks are good vibes. So we're gonna get the bike ready, get air in the forks, lube the chain, and we're good to go.
Yeah! God! Damn! I can't get this off.
Are you serious?
No. I'm not doing that one.
Look at this. You gotta start hitting the gym, brother.
I do it. I don't think you do. Ah.
Hey, 1 for 2. 1 for 2.
Caught in 4K. Alright, so we're back. Tits fell.
No, I
You
didn't.
caused the pile up.
Cameras just weren't rolling.
Sun's in my face. I can't see the camera.
Track's good.
5.
I wouldn't say fire. It's good.
It's mediocre, at best.
It's a fun time. You know when it's dry and rocky because your front end and your back end's gonna want to slide out a little bit more, so you gotta stay a gear higher. But in the wet, nice parts where the dirt's actually tilled and there's lines, you
super
can let
fun.
it eat and it's fun. All the jumps are just easy, mellow. Do little scrubs, little bubble scrub. Not him.
All right, so what's the plan now?
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, second moto or turn track
So
or?
the plan is we don't know. We're gonna surprise you. We're either gonna go back out and kind of get more into it. I'm gonna put my GoPro on, or we're gonna check out the turn track.
Turn track sounds like a great idea.
Okay, we're gonna check out the turn track. Then I won't put my GoPro.
I was just gonna say they should just have some sort of attention span and wait 15 seconds.
All right.
So yeah.
Shut up and we'll see you. Yeah,
All right,
we'll see you.
turn track. Cool.
Roger out.
Mr. Matthew.
Hey.
I know we didn't show the turn track.
Awful. I
Awful.
think you didn't show it.
We kind of lied. We didn't go to the turn track at first.
We went to, yeah, so as Tyler was saying, we went to the track first, and again, track's nothing crazy, but we're having a blast. We're starting to get the flow. The inside rut, right after the, I guess it's the what do you think, that's the finishing straight?
I don't
The
know. I'll
table-
overlay a clip.
Overlay, there's a double, table, double, whatever, and then there's nice inside. That's starting to shape up nice, and last time we were talking is the exiting wasn't getting the best. It's still not there, but it's getting really good, and it's still holding its moisture, so the track's real fun. And then we ended it off to check out the turn track, and it was promising going there, and the first straight was misleading because it was awesome, and then it was a swamp. There was more water than dirt, and the lines just didn't flow, and
It blue balled you.
honey dick, blue balled, all the above. We came for the track, so the track's awesome. And then I'm gonna strap my GoPro on. Do you have an extra GoPro?
I do have an extra GoPro.
Do you have a chin mount?
I do not have a chin mount unless
Why
you
don't
want to wear my
bring your
helmet.
Shit?
Oh, I forget. I brought my truck.
But what we'll do is me and Tits will swap off. So we'll swap on and off, we'll get footage and all that stuff. But regardless, we'll catch you guys then. You recording?
Yep, we're recording, so there you go. Hey, if you want to see me on a big bike, subscribe and keep watching our videos so we can actually make money.
First $5,000 going to Tyler's bike. Let's wait for tits again. There we go. Okay, sorry Tyler, I didn't really talk much, but what are you gonna do about it? Nothing. It's still recording. Sick.
Helps to have the mic on.
Hey, ready? Get this beauty shot, slow motion.
Oh. So I felt in the flow. Tits was in the flow for the first 4 laps, and I didn't see him after that.
Yeah, we were kind of talking on the side.
But it felt good. The front straight is fun. Are you hitting the inside line now before that? Because it's...
Oh yeah, inside, like all the way?
No, like, come here.
Okay, you can't see it really.
But you know the first double, Rick? How? The last one? I don't know what I'm saying. I'm fucking up.
It's something.
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 Look at that view, guys. Come on.
What?
Don't play with that view.
Nice cinematic shot here.
I'm looking like a goddamn lion.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
These boots suck. SG12s suck. My legs hurt. I'm gonna have bruises. It's like they don't make room to fit knee braces in. SG12s suck. You guys suck.
Not recommended by Matt.
Pretty sure they're Italian too, which is like blasphemy on my culture.
But yeah, what are we doing? Just sitting here.
We're sitting here. Everybody's leaving, but they're open till 5, so we're definitely gonna at least get one more moto in. And we're gonna around. I did the bleeping for you, Tyler. Saving you on editing.
Well, you got the truck to yourself then.
Yeah, me and Tits are. I don't know why he really kicked us off. There's still big bikes out on there, so I mean, we can probably go out anytime we wanted to. He's a little girl. You can tell by the hair, so he's gonna have probably. Yep, look at him. Look at him. Did you get that? Tell me you got that.
Oh yeah, you saw that?
Yeah. I actually don't know if I got it, but let's pretend that we did.
He did this. He looked like a poser. So we're gonna give him 10 minutes.
Those are them fighting words right there.
Ugly as fuck.
Look at you. So we're gonna wait for his panties to dry up, and we'll go back out. You guys ever seen a buddy start a bike like this?
Is it recording?
Yep.
Anything up that. That hurt a little bit, not gonna lie. Woo! Whoa! I almost just hit the drone! Oh my god! Yo! Dude, Tyler almost just hit me with the drone. Over the tabletop, I almost face planted the drone.
The missile knows where it is at all times. It knows this because it knows where it isn't.
Woo! Up we go, brother. Rev limiter, bitch. Woo! I'm already tired. That's all you get out of me, boys. I can't feel this hand, my friend. Over this little humpy hump. Ready? Go! Down and up, brother. Woo! Oh, there we are, on top, baby. Down this hill. This shit sucks. Woo! Wheelie. Into the right. Boom. Side left. Standing up. Forward, inside quarter. Oh, it's slippery. Woo! This is lit. Look at this whole track to my damn self. Oh, I'm not used to. Oh, 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 oh. Damn, I'm tired. Woo! comes Mr. Matthew. See what we're working with here. Oh, the video's still going. GoPro suck ass though.
All right, so we finished up the day. Track was pretty good. We'll definitely be coming back when we just want to cruise and not. Why are you talking?
Fuck you. I'm having a conversation.
So,
You know what? Just talk while you ain't there.
Let's get over here.
Yeah.
So I don't have to
Yeah,
see
we'll
you.
get away from him.
All right, so back to what I was saying. Track's pretty good. It's small. It gives me a very backyard track vibe, but sometimes backyard tracks are the best vibes. So we'll be coming back. Turn track, not a fan of, but we won't even talk about that. Overall day was good. Got dogs. Bikes ran well. Did everything good. I don't think I've ever told you guys, but I rebuilt my suspension on my bike 2 rides ago. Night and day difference. I'm happy with the suspension. I'm happy with the track. It's only an hour away, so that's nice. So we're gonna load up and get on out of here. Anything from you, Tyler?
No, not really. I think that about cuts it.
Sweet. All right. Well, this is what we're gonna do
Dogs say bye.
This is what we're gonna do for cutting. Hazel, come here. All right. And cut.